is hungry na. So, I'm going to make a simple egg sandwich. So, we're gonna be needing a bread, and then of course a mayo, 2 hard-boiled eggs, cheese, and some pineapple. And to season later for the taste, you will be needing sugar. Let's start! Grate the cheese. Now put the pineapple. There you go. And the mayonnaise. It's actually my first time to include the pineapple tidbits, so I did not bother to put sugar anymore because matamis na siya. So instead of sugar, I put some black pepper. So our sandwich is now ready to be spread sa ating tinapay.
So here's the sandwich, guys. That looks cool.
This is now the finished product. So Saman, come here. Eat your sandwich na. Is it good?
subscribe button is red. Please guys, make it gray, so please subscribe. That will help our channel a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you for making our channel grow.
Thank you.